Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that mixes classic Italian style with modern performance in a way that only a few brands can pull off. This is the all-new 2026 Vespa Primavera S 180. And honestly, if you're into scooters that don't just get you from point A to point B, but actually make a statement, this one is definitely worth your attention. So before we jump into all the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we've got a lot more amazing rides coming your way. Now, let's get straight into it. The Vespa Primavera has always been about elegance, simplicity, and everyday usability, but the S180 version adds a sporty edge to that formula. The moment you look at it, you can tell this isn't your average scooter. It carries that timeless Vespa silhouette with smooth curves, a compact body, and that signature front apron that instantly tells you this is something special. But for 2026, Vespa has sharpened things up just a bit. The lines are cleaner, the finish is more refined, and everything just feels tighter and more premium. What makes the S variant stand out is the subtle sporty detailing. You'll notice darker accents, a more aggressive front look, and a slightly more dynamic stance. It's still classy, but now it's got attitude. It's like someone took the traditional Vespa design and gave it a modern street-style upgrade. The LED headlamp up front not only looks sleek, but also improves visibility at night, and the taillight design is sharper, making the rear look more defined. Now let's talk about what really matters, the performance. The 2026 Vespa Primavera S 180 comes with an upgraded 180cc single-cylinder engine, and this is where things get interesting. This engine is fuel-injected, smooth, and surprisingly responsive for a scooter in this category. You're looking at around 17 horsepower, which might not sound crazy, but considering how lightweight this scooter is, it feels quick off the line. Throttle response is immediate, and you can easily keep up with city traffic or even take it out on slightly longer rides without feeling underpowered. The CVT transmission makes everything effortless. You just twist and go. No clutch, no gear shifts, just smooth acceleration. This is where Vespa really shines, especially for daily commuting. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising along open roads, the ride feels relaxed and controlled. The engine is also very refined, with minimal vibrations, which makes longer rides much more comfortable than you'd expect from a scooter. One thing I really like about the Primavera S 180 is how balanced it feels. The chassis is solid, and the steel monocoque frame, which Vespa is famous for, gives it a planted feel on the road. It's not just about looks. This scooter actually feels stable even at higher speeds. The front suspension uses a single-arm setup, while the rear gets a hydraulic shock absorber, and together they handle bumps pretty well. It's not a hardcore touring machine, but for city roads and occasional rough patches, it does a great job. Braking performance is also solid. You get a front disc brake with ABS, which adds a lot of confidence, especially when you need to stop quickly in traffic. The rear brake is a drum, but it's well-tuned and works perfectly fine for the kind of riding this scooter is designed for. Safety-wise, Vespa has kept things simple but effective. Now let's step into the comfort side of things. The seat is wide, well padded, and designed for both rider and passenger. The riding position is upright, which means you're not putting stress on your back or wrists. You can easily ride this scooter for an hour or more without feeling tired. The footboard is spacious, giving you enough room to adjust your position during the ride. Storage is another area where the Primavera S 180 does well. You've got under-seat storage that can fit a helmet or your daily essentials, and there's also a small front compartment for things like your phone or wallet. It's practical without trying too hard, and that's exactly what you want in a scooter like this. Technology-wise, Vespa has added some modern touches without overcomplicating things. The instrument cluster is a mix of analog and digital, giving you essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip details. There's also smartphone connectivity available through Vespa's app, which lets you track ride stats and even locate your scooter if needed. It's not overloaded with tech, but it's enough to keep things modern. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. The 180cc engine is surprisingly efficient, giving you around 35 to 40 kilometers per hour, depending on how you ride. That's pretty good for a scooter with this level of performance. Combine that with a decent fuel tank, and you've got a scooter that won't have you visiting the fuel station too often. Now, let's talk about the overall experience. Riding the 2026 Vespa Primavera S 180 isn't just about getting somewhere, it's about enjoying the journey. There's a certain charm to it that you don't get with most modern scooters. It feels premium, it looks stylish, and it carries a legacy that few brands can match. Every time you park it and walk away, you'll probably turn back and look at it one more time. Of course, it's not perfect. It's priced higher than most scooters in its class, and maintenance can be a bit more expensive compared to standard commuter scooters. But then again, you're not just buying a scooter here, you're buying a Vespa. There's a difference, and people who understand that won't mind paying a little extra. So who is this scooter for? If you want something purely practical and cheap, there are better options. But if you want something stylish, comfortable, fun to ride, and something that stands out wherever you go, the Primavera S 180 makes a lot of sense. It's perfect for urban riders, young professionals, and even experienced riders who just want something lightweight and enjoyable for daily use. Now, coming to the price, the 2026 Vespa Primavera S 180 is expected to start at around $4,800 to $5,500 USD, depending on the market and optional features. Yes, it's on the premium side, but for what it offers in terms of design, quality, and overall experience, it's definitely worth considering. So that's the 2026 Vespa Primavera S 180, a scooter that proves you don't need a massive engine or crazy horsepower to have fun on the road. Sometimes, style, simplicity, and a bit of character are all you need. Let me know what you think about this one, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.